Bonjour, mon chéri. Get ready with me to go on my last solo date of the year. So everyone should be able to go on at least one solo date in 2 months. Solo dates are a must for me. I consider it a type of self-care and also me prioritizing myself, popularly known as being selfish. I've only been on 3 solo dates this year, and to me that's a very, very low number. Let me know in the comments how many solo dates you've been on this year. You don't have to wait for the final point is don't be afraid. I honestly ate with this look. Go on that solo date. Spend your money. Au revoir.